Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can recover or change your My Eyes Only password if you have forgotten your password. So if you have forgotten your password and now you want to change it, for that just go to your My Eyes Only option. So where you will just click on your camera option and here you will get an option called My Eyes Only. So now in order to change password at the bottom left side, you can see there's a options written as options. Click on these options and now you have two options: change passcode and forgot passcode. Now if you have forgotten your passcode, you will click on this forgot passcode. Now it will ask you to enter your password. So when you enter your password and click on next, they will send you an email on your registered email address and they will ask you to enter your new passcode. So whenever you enter your new passcode, your account will be updated. So this is how you can change your My Ionly's password if you forgot it.